Hello everyone, in this short video I will explain you inflation. Inflation is the rate of increase in prices at general level over a given period of time. Inflation is all about increase in prices or increase in the cost of living in a country. Inflation is basically the decline of purchasing power. For example, in 2014, I could buy a Toyota Corolla 2014 model in 1.2 million rupees. But if I want to buy the same car now, I may have to spend approximately 2 million to buy the same car. Inflation is actually the rate at which the value of currency falls. And on the other hand, the prices of goods and services rise at general level. Question: when does the purchasing power decline? The decline in the purchasing power can be shown in the increase of an average price level of the basket of selected goods or services in the economy. Inflation is sometimes classified into three types. Number 1, demand pull inflation, cost push inflation, and built-in inflation. There are considerably three strains of inflation: low inflation, galloping inflation, and hyperinflation. Most commonly used inflation indexes are Consumer Price Index (CPI) and the Wholesale Price Index (WPI). Overall, if you observe, there are uncountable number of things which you could buy last year in a specific amount, but you cannot buy those things in the same price now. And next year they might be even more expensive than today. This general increase in prices is referred as inflation. This was One Learning Minute. See you tomorrow.